Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be opening the Optimax Laser Optics Robovac. It's Wi-Fi app enabled. It's got 360 LiDar laser vision and precision laser mapping for multi-room navigation. We're going to be opening up the box today and checking out what's inside. This one's supposed to have the smart path navigation to adapt to any room for a thorough, precise clean. Definitely looking forward to checking it out. This is my first Robo vacuum. I'm really excited about this one. It's got pretty good reviews on the internet. Let's check it out. It's got some pretty nice packaging. Got the instruction manual. Everything's nice and wrapped in plastic. Here we have the machine itself, or our robot. Wow, my first impression with this is it is very heavy and feels very solid. Nothing shaking. It's got a lot of really good weight to it. These are the charger ports for when it returns to the dock. And in the box we have the blades right here. I'll set those out. And here's the dock charging station that it returns to charge when not in use and or when the battery starts to die. Charger. It does come with 2 sets of blades. And a HEPA filter for the HEPA filtration. Open up the instruction manual real quick. The instruction manual is pretty simple. It's got an overview of all the products inside the package. Overview and functions. It's got some tips, a couple of do's and don'ts. It's important to have the cords and things picked up off the floor so it can run Get a better vacuum and sweep. All right, let's flip it over. We have our green for our green brush. And our red for our red brush. It all snaps together pretty easily. Okay. This is the dust pan where the dirt will go. And as you can see, it does come with a filter in it already and an extra filter. That's pretty awesome. Extra filter, you can't beat that. There's the HEPA filter. Nice, good, solid quality. That's pretty awesome. Got our brushes in. Got our charger. All right, we're gonna get this thing charged up and we will be back for part 2 to see how it runs. Okay, so I plugged it in and it said power on and charging. Off to a really great start. Got the power buttons lit up, the home buttons lit up, so it's getting power and it's charging. One of the things that made me want to get one of these units is there's never enough hours in a day. Always cleaning, doing dishes, always something needs done. And I saw this on clearance at Walmart and thought, today could be the day where I can make life a lot simpler, at least a little bit, by reducing the amount of time that I have to spend vacuuming. So I jumped and made the purchase and got the robotic vacuum cleaner. I've heard good things about them and I'm very much looking forward to checking this out. It's supposed to have anti-drop and collision sensors so that it won't go over steps. It also is supposed to map out everything with the laser mapping and save and record the area. Does tile, carpet, hardwood floors, all at the same time. It's supposed to go from one right to the other. I have both laminate floors, hardwood floors, and carpeted floors. So I'm very much looking forward to taking the ease out of that. I haven't downloaded the app yet, but I'm going to momentarily. The suction is 2K PA. Not really sure what that means exactly, to be honest. It's supposed to be powerful though. So we're definitely gonna find out. It's really heavy duty, really solid. It's got the sensor on top. And then this is a sensor too. So if it bumps into anything and feels it, it'll stop and change course direction. Has a sensor on the side and a sensor on the other side as well. That way, while it's traveling in a forward motion, if it bumps into anything, it will remember it, back up, and go the opposite direction. And look how easy it is to empty.
Reinstall the dustbin.
Slides right out. Push the button.
Reinstall the dustbin.
Reinstall the dustbin. All right.
Start charging.
We're going to let that charge for a couple more minutes and then we're going to come back and we're going to give it our first test run. So far, I am extremely impressed with this machine. It's got good solid weight, high quality material products. It looks like the craftsmanship is excellent. Really excited to get this thing going. So we're gonna give it a little bit of time to charge its battery and we will be back for a demonstration. All right, I already did a test run just to make sure everything's good. You go to the app, you hit the start button.
Start cleaning.
And it comes right off, kicks on, scans the room and starts vacuuming. So far, I'm really impressed with this. I just want to show you the dock real quick.
Powering off.
From letting it run for probably 2 or 3 minutes. It already collected that much dirt. Wow. Super impressed because I actually had already swept the floor here before turning this on. So to see that it picked up all this extra dirt and lint from the carpet and from the tile floor is super impressive for me. I definitely will be doing more runs on it so I can give a more in-depth review after a couple weeks of usage of it. But as of now, I highly recommend the product. It's looking very amazing. The instructions, very easy to follow. The app is very detailed. You can set the rooms, you can set the time. This is amazing. I am super excited. Optimax, laser optic, Robovac. Here we go. RedVizon, thank you for tuning in. Lots more to come. Let me know in the comments. Do you have a robot vacuum cleaner? What are your thoughts on them? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video for more. And as always, I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. RedVizon out.